These next two iMachining operations perform the cutting on the 3 semi-open pockets and 7 closed pockets. First, let's take a look at the iRough pockets operation. By clicking the Show button in the Geometry branch, we can see that all 10 of these pockets are located on the same Z level. This means they all have the same pocket depth and can all be machined in this one operation. The first 3 chains have edges marked as open and wall, allowing the tool to enter from these edges. 4 of the closed chains use the through pockets as an entry chain. The last 2 chains, labeled 6 and 7, are simple closed pockets, and the tool will enter them using helical ramping. We are going to switch tools for this operation since the bottoms of the pockets all have a radius. We will be using a 3/8 inch diameter bullnose mill with a corner radius of a 1/16 inch. In the Technology branch, we can see that this iRough operation has a 10 thou allowance on the wall. Let's click Simulate and take a look at the toolpath. In HostCAD, we see that the tool approaches the first 3 pockets from the outside. The tool enters the remaining pockets either by entry holes or helical ramping. Take notice of the toolpath and how these pockets are cleared with iMachining's patented morphing spiral technology. Now, let's view the simulation using SolidVerify. Exit the simulation and operation dialogues and open the iFinish Pockets operation from the CAM Manager. This operation will finish the pockets. iFinish is listed for Technology. Also, note that the previous iRough Pockets operation appears in the Parent Operation Combo box under the iRest Data tab in the Technology branch. Under the Technology tab, we'll see the wall offset has a value of 0. This iFinish operation will use the same tool as before. Let's click Simulate to view our toolpath. First, we'll use HostCAD. Then we'll use SolidVerify to view the cutting tool in 3D. Let's now exit our simulation and operation dialogues.